Hello children, welcome to today's section. Today, let's start our new lesson, Artificial Intelligence, AI. Okay, children, do you know what is meant by this Artificial Intelligence? Okay, let's learn about this topic. Then what is AI or Artificial Intelligence? Artificial Intelligence is an approach to make a computer or a robot to think how smart humans think. That is, the computer or robots do like our or just act like a human. Okay, this branch of computer studies how human brain think, learn, decide, and work when it tries to solve a problem. Okay, that is, by use of this AI, a human can replace by a computer or a robot. Okay, that is the use of AI. Okay children, so once again, artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer or robot to think how smart humans think. Okay, then music and video streaming services. See children, when you search for a cartoon 4 or 5 times on YouTube and the next time you use this app, okay, that is this YouTube, your video feeds will suggest you cartoons. This is possible only due to artificial intelligence. Okay, that is the personalizing content according to the user preference and is possible with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, the recommended section of YouTube contains videos that will exactly suit your taste and preference. Okay children, so once again, when you search anything in a YouTube, okay, then when you try to search in any other topic, okay, based on your taste, okay, based on your taste, this YouTube will provide your interested videos. Okay, it will suggest you your interested videos. Okay, this is by artificial intelligence. Okay children, then our next topic is difference between conventional computer and an AI equipped computer or artificial intelligence equipped computer. See children, in conventional computers, we give directions to the computer on how to solve a particular problem. Just like the program. Do you know what is mean by program? Yes, program means a set of instructions. Okay, it's a code that instructs the computer to do something. Okay, that is the humans are communicating with the computer by using some instructions. That instructions are called codes or program. Okay, in conventional computer, the directions are given by using this coding or program. Okay, so we can say that in conventional computers, we give directions to the computer on how to solve a particular problem. But for an AI equipped computer, this will use the data and user preferences to automatically suggest a line of solution that could solve the problem. Okay, that is by using this artificial intelligence, okay, the computer will use the data and user preferences. Okay, computer will use the data and user preferences to automatically suggest a line of solution that could solve the problem. These are the difference between conventional computer and AI equipped computer. Then what are the applications of AI? Applications areas of AI. Okay, here we are discussing 4 points. First one, natural language processing, then robotics, then expert system, and finally computer vision. Okay, then first one, natural language processing. See children, in this, interact with the computer that understands natural language spoken by humans. Okay, that one is called natural language processing. Second one, robotics. That means respond to the directions given by humans in any form. be it gesture or speech recognition, and not only machine readable form. Okay, in any format you can give directions to the computer, then it will give response. Okay, then third one, expert system. Machine or software provide explanation and advice to the users. Okay, it's a very important point. Okay, machine or software provide explanation and advice to the user. See, anyone can give explanation or advice to some other one only because of their own logic. Okay, then when a robotic give explanation or advice to users means that much development that device have. Okay, the next one, computer vision. Computers understand, explain and describe visual input on the computer. Okay, so these are the 4 points of AI applications. Okay, application areas of AI. So once again, children, what is mean by AI? Artificial intelligence. It is an approach to make a computer or robot to think how smart humans think. Okay, how smart humans think. Okay, this branch of computer studies how human brain think, learn, decide and work when it tries to solve a problem. Okay, that's why this device can give explanation or advice to the users. Okay, this is by artificial intelligence. Okay, these are the topics from this lesson. It's a very simple and a easy topic. Okay, so now our all topics are over, children. So don't forget to study the notes. Okay, you can study all the notes attached with your lessons. Okay, there are multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks questions, short answer questions and long answer questions. All type of questions are there. You can solve by yourself. Okay, so don't forget to solve by self. Okay, that to solve a problem you have to read the text carefully. Okay, then only you can solve all the problems or all the questions given in your textbook. Okay, children, then see you. Bye.